Hi everyone! Welcome to the first part of the chemistry online class series at Simply Sicily. For today, I'm going to discuss about some laboratory safety procedures. Well, this chemistry online class is based on the chemistry of some familiar things, no? Kasi talagang mahirap naman nga yung mag-conduct ng isang chemistry laboratory activity sa isang nasa stay-at-home na setup. So that's the reason why ang inisip ko is just to make use of what's familiar sa loob ng bahay and then try to figure out ano yung involved na chemistry doon. So but first things first, we need to learn or relearn actually kasi high school palagay ko naman na-discuss na rin sa inyo yung mga laboratory procedures, safety procedures. So, first, you're going to handle some heating, no? So, paano yung doon? Sa totoo lang, ang kailangan lang naman talaga sa kahit anong bagay is really common sense, mainit. So, you need to make sure na may kahit pa paano sa pinangkamay ninyo na hindi kayo mapasok. Okay? And then, presence of mind nga. So, presence of mind, no horseplay, para nakafocus ka dun sa ginagawa mo. Especially, you will notice na ang ginagamit natin dito ay halos mga glasswares, no? Bakit nga ba glasswares? Siguro, again, for practical reasons, it's easy for us to see kung ano yung nasa loob ng mga glasswares na yon. Okay, so I have here some common or familiar things in the house. So, tingnan natin, I have here yeast, no? So, parang inisip ko na lang, I found this bottle again, in a thrift store, na parang, it's just simply similar to a scintillation vial, no? So, inilagay ko rito yung yeast. Now, the first, I think, na tatandaan natin, in anything that we do, of course, there should be some proper labeling. So, kaya dito, nilagyan ko para alam ko na ito ay yeast. Okay, the other one is I have sugar. No, di ba parang nakakatuwa because we used to see itong asukal sa mga jars, containers ng bahay. But if you're going to put it like this, so something na parang kino-condition mo yung mind mo that this is really a chemistry laboratory, mga experiments ang gagawin. And then the other one that I have here is salt. Yan. So see the importance of labeling. Almost the same ang kanilang particle size. So po pwedeng magka-interchange na iinom ka ng kape, ang mailalagay mo asin. So, that's the usual thing that happens, in the house. And then, yan, I have coffee. So, bakit? Later on, I'm gonna discuss why I need to have this, here in the setup. And then, the other one is alum or tawas. Okay? Now, of course, we are going to generate some waste, So, for waste management, kahit simpleng setup na ganito, isipin natin para mas organized, mas malinis, mas maayos. So, and of course, for safety reasons, hindi ka nasusugatan because naghalo-halo yung mga waste mo. So, what I have here, yan. So, it's a container and then dapat mayroon siyang plastic, sa loob. Para when you throw it, alam mo na nandun siya, malinis, maayos ang pagtapon. So, sanay ako na mayroon kaming mga containers sa laboratory before na sharps and needles ang ilalagay dito. Okay? Like for example, may mga nagamit ako before, na katulad nito, because my experiment is about ceramic, something to do with firing, something to do with, when you say firing kasi you put it in a very high temperature to make it into ceramic. So I have this blade, So mga sharp yan. And then notice na may mga kalawang na siya. I hope you can still see this. Pero may kalawang na siya, so mas mahirap matetano. So ayan. And then pag after using it and then considered as waste, of course you need to throw it in a waste can, okay? Waste container na alam mo na yun ay itatapon na, no? So this thing, I just want to share, these are the molders that I used when I am working on my ceramic water filter model, no? This one. Para magkasya siya dun sa filtration equipment naman. So, needles like this, sometimes you need to, yun nga familiar things, you need to sew something, so ayan. Kaya madalas, pagka hindi ito iningatan, makalat-kalat, especially pag may mga bata na naglalaro, so, o kaya baka isinubo na. And then, of course, ayan, during my experiment also, meron ako mga sandpaper, different, ano siya, greens, okay? So, I normally use yung 3M products, no? And then, some duct tape, and then some acetate. Ito kasi parang mga pattern ko before na ginagamit. So, paano ko ngayon ito nagawa? Of course, I need to have some scissors. So, ayan. So, of course, pagka may mga ganito ka ng mga sharp na objects, so, dapat alam mo kung pointed saan, of course, away from you and away from the others also na hindi ka makakasakit. So, this one. And then, I normally connect yung, i-attach yung isang bagay, especially plastic. So, I normally use some glue gun. Itong dulo na to, once you connect it into yung sa electricity na, so mainit yan, baka biglang mahawakan mo, ayan, di mapasok. So, ayan, sabi nga, presence of mind, laging ganun sa laboratory. And then also, I have, yan, even small issues in using your super glue, pag hindi ka marunong gumamit ito, didikit yan. So, okay? So, it's messy at saka mahirap alisin. Kaya, normally, ingat akong gumamit and then after that, after using it, immediately I wipe it. Para pag sinara ko, I can reuse it again, hindi siya magdidikit-dikit because sayang naman, di ba? Hindi mo magagamit dahil hindi na siya babuksan. And then, I have this soldering gun. So, yan. I have a current project. Yung ano ko lang, naging libangan ko din. And naisip ko, yeah, I can apply some water chemistry here, soil chemistry. So, ano yung sinasabi ko? This is an egg tray, no? Sa hydroponics ko siya gustong gamitin. So, I put the plant here and then some water with nutrients and then observe what happens kung alin ang mas madaling mag-grow dito ba or if I will plant that sa soil. So just to show you yung pinagamitan nito, no? Ito, no, I was able to make this container, yan, di ba? Out of this bottle. Supposedly it's a waste, no? Since I'm interested sa pag-aaral o pag-experiment, pag-observe what happens sa hydroponic na system, water yung nandito. So, I was able to make this one. And also, di ba, meron siyang alambre. Okay? So, ito rin, pagka nagpuputol ka, of course, you are going to make use of a cutter. So, I have 2 of this. Ito pag talagang medyo hard na yung matigas ng putulin. You need to really exert extra effort or force here. So, ayan. And then, of course, before anything else na baka makalimutan natin na number 1 na napaka-importante ay ang ating personal protective equipment. So, relate na relate tayo dyan, especially sa ganitong pandemic or crisis. Mayroon tayong mga mask. So, I have here, ayan, I have an N95 mask, okay, na ito yung gagamitin ko pagka mag-work on ako with some powdery materials na para hindi ko siya malanghap, okay? And even also from working on some, hindi naman posible ngayon dito yung sa microorganisms, pero ang isa, ito, posible, no? This one is dry yeast. I don't want to inhale particulates, no? And of course, you have this and then you have this para naman protection sa eyes. And then notice that I'm wearing this one para hindi naman kung may matatapon ng mga hindi direct na matapunan yung damit ko. Okay? So, yan. And then, going back to this one, ito yung spring onion na pinag-aaralan ko ngayon kung mabubuhay nga siya. And what I noticed is nag-grow siya a little bit and then dati parang siya, yung pale na green. So ngayon nagbe-berde na siya. So ibig sabihin nabubuhay siya dito sa system na ganito. And then the other one, if it is parang in preparation for some experiments on water chemistry, dahil there's something here na nilagay ko ng mga nutrients para mag-grow ito. So here's the other one na considered as hydroponic kasi nandun tumubo na yung ugat niya sa ilalim, pero may substrate pa rin akong soil to hold this para hindi mabigla yung, this is petchay. So I'm working on some petchay, no? So iba't iba, meron akong ginawang parang vertical gardening that you will see in my Facebook page. Okay? So this one, mga waste din ng parang Yakult or yogurt, excuse me for mentioning the brand. So some yogurt materials, ininom siya after. So meron din akong iniisip na project about this one. And then, I'll be using this electric stove for heating purposes. So, I have a cute pan here na para lang talaga dito na gagamitin. So, hindi pwedeng mag-mix yung para sa pagkain ko at saka yung ginagawa ko dito. So, it's a no-no. And then, so I have some pliers. So, nasanay ako niyan sa training ko rin sa grad school because do it your own yung mga projects ngayon na hindi ka talagang magdedepende sa iba kundi lahat gagawin mo. So doon ako natutong humawak ng plies, papaano yung mismong pagtama ng hold nito, no? So doon. And then dati wala, hindi ako marunong itong mga Philips na mga mga equipment, yung mga tools, screwdrivers. And then even hammer, so mayroon na paggagamitan din ito later sa mga experiments natin. Yan. All these things require your presence of mind. If not, syempre, andun tayo dun sa safety. Maling pag gano'n mo lang, lumipad dito. So, yan. Ang mga dapat iniisip natin. And then some sharps, no? So, I have some cutter here. Nakakailanganin ko, especially if I want to make use of this bottle and turn it to a container like this. So may cutting procedure yan. So ito yung ginamit ko. Okay? And then, di ba, I have a container, yung mga waste na sharps and needles ko. And then I also have, yan, a container dun sa other waste material. So, see, verde, green, okay, ulit, yan. The favorite color. And then, good that you can see this one, no? It's a fire extinguisher. Of course, if there is heating, so naka-ready ka na meron kang, alam mo kung paano rin to gamitin. It's not just for display purposes, but of course, kailangan mo na naka-ready ka pagka, just in case. Okay? Especially, I'm gonna use electric stove and then sa aking, yung mismong preparation for cooking, yung pagkain ko is, I use induction cooker. So, hindi mo alam paano bigla may mag-spark. So, at least, something na nandun ka, na safe ka doon, na alam mong pwede mong gamitin anytime na magka-problema when it comes to sunog. Okay? And then, I already discussed this one. So, next naman, I have with me 3 different gloves, no? So, meron ako nito na I found it in a DIY store also. So, what's good about this one is yung pagka naghawak ka ba ng mga glasswares na lalo't maliliit, so, it's easy na magdumulas, ano? So, ito ay non-slip. And then, ayan, yung machine washable, so comfortable and durable. So, something na may protection yung kamay mo, hindi direct na humahawak ka sa mga, kahit sabihin natin mga the usual na nakikita natin sa mga stuff sa bahay. And then this one, no, pag medyo parang may cutting ka, nagagawin, or something to do with soil, kasi part of the content ng course, chemistry course, is the soil chemistry. So, I use this. And then, so these are just some plastic gloves, no? So, ayan. Okay? Just for the sake of discussion, the usual gloves na ginagamit natin sa lab is made up of latex, no? So, yung surgical gloves, yung gano'n na alam mong standard na gloves sa lab na ginagamit, no? And then, I just recently bought this one for the purpose of using sa electrochemistry or electrochemical na mga experiments. It's a multi-tester, no? So, intentionally, hindi ko muna siya binuksan para makita natin na whenever you buy things, inside ay mayroong manual. Dati, ayoko magbasa ng mga manual, but nakita ko yung importance para hindi mo rin, of course, masira yung kabago-bago mong binili and then masisira, no? So, yan, gagamitin ko sa pagde-demo ko sa inyo para makita niyo yung sa experiments on electrochemical reaction. Yan. So, done na tayo rito. And then, this one is a weighing scale. Ngayon, sa laboratory, typical analytical balance ang ginagamit. Mahal. So, ang meron ako na kaya kong bilhin personally is this weighing scale. And then this one, I included, no, yung mga coffee cups. Later, I'll discuss this in the next video kung bakit nandito to ngayon. And then, bakit ito, ganito yung material niya, ceramics. And the other one is made up of glass. So there's that difference aside from, of course, material, yung klase ng material. So I have some, ginawa ko siyang reagent bottle, kumbaga. So mura dahil again sa thrift store ulit nabili. So ang smaller version na ginamit ko naman for vinegar. So ayan, again may label siya, no? So we need to really remind ourselves na wag mag-mix up yung mga materials na gagamitin. Okay? And then this one is all-purpose flour. So normally, pagka gusto mong maintindihan ng fermentation process, yan, yung nangyayari sa bread making, ano yung meron. Na ang kapartner naman niya actually yung yeast, okay? To make a very good bread. Pero merong chemistry involved dyan. And then, itong mga glasswares na nandito sa akin ngayon, ito yung talagang ginagamit. Pero, katulad dito na test tube, dalawang klase, may branded, mahal, ito naman yung ordinary lang siya. Okay? And then, so I have Erlenmeyer flask, I have this one beaker, Erlenmeyer flask. So may, ano siya, may graduation dito, no? Yung, this one is 50 ml, this is another 50 ml. So, ang considered accurate or standard procedure in measuring volume is graduated cylinder. Ang problema, mahal. Hindi ako makabili. Yung isa na simple, na ang maliit pa, siguro ilang ml lang yon, it's 1,000 na already. So, for the sake of demonstration, plus we are going to use naman materials which are very familiar and can be found in our kitchen. So, ito na lang muna ang gamitin natin to measure the volume. To measure the weight, I'll be using this one as an alternative to the analytical balance. And then, since mahal din ang beaker, so this one I think it cost mga 250 this one. Pero ito naman, 15 pesos. O, isang kapa, di ba? So, better, alin. Importante lang, meron kang parang similar na container. Okay? So, ano pa yung mga nasa likod ko? So, again, nandito. So, ito naman very common ngayon at talagang it's must for us to wear yung mga face shield. So, actually, when you wear this, like this one, so you can easily na you are good to go for making some experiments kasi protection na rin ng mukha mo, mata, ilong, lahat na this one. Okay? Yeah. So, I guess that's it for this session, and I hope you've learned something at as we progress na dun sa mga susunod na video for this series is mas marami pa kayong matutunan. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Bye!